Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to withdraw from MEXC to bank account. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your MEXC app, which of course I've done right here. The next thing is how can you download the MEXC app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of these applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type MEXC and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing the app, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it takes you right into the fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in MEXC. So now here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to withdraw from MEXC to bank account. Now from this homepage, head over to the bottom corner of your screen where you have a couple of icons representing diverse features. And they include home, markets, trade, futures, and wallets. Go ahead and click on wallets, and that takes you over here. First off, you need to set it to spot. Check the top corner of your screen where you have spot, futures, and fiat. Set it to spot. Now, once you set it to spot, go ahead and click on withdraw from the tabs at the top where you have deposit, withdraw, transfer. Now select withdraw. Once you select withdraw, go ahead and select the currency that you want to select, the coin rather. So let's say this is USDT. So once you select that, you have the on-chain withdrawal and you have the MEXC transfer. Go ahead and click on on-chain withdrawal. Now over here, okay, I have read and click on confirm. Now here where you have, I'm sorry about that, you have the withdrawal address. You're definitely going to enter the withdrawal address of the, let's say, of an crypto platform of your choice. Now what this means is that you cannot directly withdraw from MEXC to bank account on MEXC. So it means you need to choose any third party crypto application that allows for direct transfers to bank accounts, and one of them is Binance. Now Binance, actually you can use Binance or Coinbase. Now with Binance or Coinbase, you can withdraw directly to your bank account, but you cannot do that on MEXC. So it means you need to withdraw from here, send it to Binance or Coinbase. Once you send it there, then you can now use that Binance or the third-party platform to withdraw to your bank account. So head over to Binance, go ahead and copy the the wallet address that's for USDT using the smart chain. That's BNM. We use the USDT, right? So it's USDT that we use, definitely USDT Tether. So head over to Binance and copy the address for USDT on Binance. Once you copy that address, come over here where you have withdrawal address, type in and paste the withdrawal address. Once you do that, go ahead and select the network. All right, so over here in the network, it could be BSC, that's BNB smart chain. So let's say we're doing USDT BP20, so you can choose that and then enter your withdrawal quantity and enter your withdrawal max if you have. So it means on Binance or Coinbase, you're going to get the address for USDT BEP20 on the BNB smart chain. So over here in this withdrawal address, that's where you're going to paste it. Then enter your withdrawal quantity and click on confirm. Then once you do that, the money here is going to be sent to Binance. Then once you get to Binance, follow through the prompts right there to withdraw to any bank account of your choice. Now you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.